When there's a squeaking or squealing noise coming from the general vicinity of the engine, most vehicle owners, regardless of their technical knowledge, realize that something might be wrong. The most common solution is to replace the serpentine belt, but that might not stop the noise on its own. When replacing a serpentine belt, especially a squealing one, it's also crucial to inspect and replace the automatic belt tensioner and associated pulleys if necessary. Automatic belt tensioners play a critical role in the accessory drive system. A dampener inside the tensioner provides constant tension to the belt to eliminate slipping and reduce noise, and it absorbs belt vibrations caused by engine firing. The tensioner also tunes the accessory drive system for proper function and maintains the proper alignment of the belt. By improving belt system alignment and automatically adjusting for belt stretch and wear, the accessory drive tensioner optimizes the life of the belt. That's quite a job description. The tensioner's dampener mechanism is a sacrificial part that will wear out over time. When it does, rapid changes in belt tension are likely to occur. This can result in belt flutter and even excessive movement of the tensioner. If the dampener is unable to control the tensioner arm, it can cause fluctuations in tension. The accessory belt might oscillate between too little tension and too much tension. The belt will slip and catch, causing noise and vibration. This can cause a change in crankshaft speed that's severe enough to cause the engine management system to think that a misfire just occurred. Given the importance of the accessory drive tensioner, it's a mistake to view replacement tensioners simply as commodities. A replacement tensioner that isn't designed to match OE specifications for fit, form, and function can result in vibration and noise, premature failure, and undue stress on engine components. Bando manufactures its tensioners at the OE level and has teamed up with Lightens to offer a broad range of OE tensioners for the North America market. Some of the features worth noting include the precision-formed steel pulley and sealed bearing assembly, which ensure that the belt travels effortlessly and finds true alignment. Bando points out that other tensioners might use a plastic pulley, which saves on cost but is more susceptible to surface wear. The spring is a critical part of the tensioner, designed to provide constant tension to the belt. Bando replacement tensioners feature round wire torsion spring that's custom designed for each tensioner application. The round wire design is not affected by corrosion or coil-to-coil contact, and unlike tensioners that use a clock spring design, it doesn't require a PTFE filler strip to prevent spring lockup. Finally, Bando tensioners feature OE-style locating pins that are part of the base casting. The pin is integrated into the die casting to help the installer position the tensioner to its mounting surface, which ensures exact OE fit and mounting accuracy. Thanks for watching.